Lustrous, vibrant and shimmering, crystal quartz. This faceted crystal is widely renowned for its natural aesthetic beauty, its powerful metaphysical properties, and even its industrial utility. A relatively simple chemical compound, quartz or silica, can be found naturally occurring around the world. However, most quartz used as gemstones in jewelry or metaphysical healing is mined in either Brazil or the Ozarks of North America. Since the dawn of antiquity, people around the world have valued this precious gift offered from the earth. Quartz crystal objects dating back thousands of years are some of the earliest examples of talismans in human history. As a matter of fact, in Australian Aboriginal mythology, quartz is commonly identified as the mystical substance mabum, the material from which shamans and elders derive their magical power. Carved into amulets by the ancient Egyptians, quartz was believed to have the power to balance the energies of the body. The ancient Japanese believed crystal quartz was formed from the breath of a white dragon and regarded it as a symbol of perfection. The Romans and Greeks referred to crystal quartz as krustallos, meaning ice, and would carry spheres of carved quartz to cool their hands on warm days, and believed it had the ability to quench a thirst by holding the crystal in one's mouth. Early on, the ingenuity of uses for quartz crystals seemed boundless. Priests would use quartz crystals to light altar fires. Healers would cauterize wounds by focusing sunlight through the crystals. Even the first pair of spectacles ever created were made from quartz crystal. Today's modern uses for quartz crystal are no less varied. Crystal quartz has the unique property of being piezoelectric, meaning that mechanical pressure on the crystal generates opposite electrical charges at each pole of the crystal. This characteristic makes quartz crystals very useful in the manufacturing of consumer electronics. Quartz crystal for industrial purposes is manufactured or cultured at a massive scale in laboratory conditions to create flawless electronics-grade quartz crystals for use in televisions, computers, and countless other consumer technologies. Still, the value and beauty of raw, naturally occurring quartz crystal cannot be duplicated by the hands of man. Natural quartz crystal is said to be the universal crystal prized for its healing and balancing properties. It's believed to amplify energy by absorbing, storing, releasing, and regulating it. It's also said to aid concentration and memory, stimulate the immune system while balancing out your entire body. The cascading geometries of light embodied within these crystals is said to open the third eye and balance the chakras, stabilizing one's energy and bringing them into greater harmony and alignment with their surroundings. So make your next design more than just a piece of beautiful jewelry. Bring a sense of clarity, balance, and creativity to everyone wearing your inspired line of creations. Make it dazzle. Make it shine. Make it with crystal quartz from FireMountainGems.com. Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. You supply the creativity, we supply everything else.